Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hello. Thank you guys for being here. Today back to what I was saying. Hi guys, thank you for coming and watching this video. So as you can probably tell from the title, today I'm going to do some DIY at home lash extensions. I think I'm going to speed through the part where I actually put my eyelashes on, but I'll like slowly show you guys the first time, you know what I mean? I've already tried this once before and I did very badly at it. Not the way it looked. It looked so cute. Like it looked really nice. Like, you know when you have that Snapchat filter on and you might not have lashes on, but it puts lashes on you and they just look so fluttery and beautiful? It looked like that, and that is my kind of look. That's what I love. Hopefully I can get a similar outcome this time, but without all the pain, because what stupid thing that I did last time was I actually ended up gluing a lot of the individual lashes to my eyelid, and you don't want to put this on your skin. Let me tell you this again, don't glue these things to your lid. You want it on your lashes, your actual lashes. Okay? Yeah, your lashes are, naturally going to fall out when they fall out. That means you're going to lose your extensions too. But you know what? You might as well do that than have all the pain of everything on your eyes, because I had to take my other lash extensions off the day after I put them on because they were in so much pain. My eyelids hurt so much. I couldn't touch my eyes. Every time I blinked, it hurt. I messed up the first time, but I have learned. Originally, I used this set from Ardell and also some from this pack. So this was the set that was in the Ardell pack. It had short and medium length individual lashes. I really liked it. I used all of them, and I used a lot of the long ones from here as well. That worked out great, but I don't have any more short ones, so I'm literally just going to be using the rest of these medium ones and a ton of long ones. So we're gonna get some really long fluttery lashes. Unfortunately, I did lose the tweezers that came with this. I don't know where they went. I can't find them. They're just gone. They're gone forever. Where did they go? Nobody knows. So I'm just going to be using my own regular tweezers and we'll see what happens. Also, instead of this adhesive, I'm going to be using this adhesive. This is also from Ardell. It's the black one. Lash Tight for individual lashes. This is the adhesive, and it's supposed to last like 1 week or maybe even 2, 3 if you're extremely careful, but it's probably gonna last 1 week for me because I wash my face a lot. You would think I didn't because of all the texture and everything that I have on my face, but I wash my face a whole lot. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you can see how I'm doing this. Zoom you guys in a little. Oh gosh, do you like it down here? No? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm breaking out. I have issues. Okay, I have skin issues. They're always there. They're not going away. I've got lines. Leave them alone. Alright, it is what it is. So I have adhesive here. See all the black stuff? That's all the adhesive. I've got a medium lash right here. Can you see it? There it is. If it wants to focus, that would be great. Medium lash right there, holding it down. Sticking it inside of the adhesive. So I'm going to start from the inner corner and work my I'm going to work from the inner corner and then I'm going to work my way outwards. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I feel like my hands are in the way. I've heard people say, oh, it took me 20 minutes. Girl, bye. No, it didn't. It takes lash experts like an hour. So it's obviously going to take me like 2 or 3, so and if you see any adhesive on my lid, it's because Ziya messed up, had to take it off again, and then it got messy. So hopefully this doesn't just feel super painful by the time I'm done. So here's how they look so far. kind of sparse. I definitely need to add another layer, so I'm going to start from like right here in the center and go across with some more of the long lengths. What I'm doing here is pushing it down to make sure that it's really hitting my lashes and not my lid, because if it's on my lid, this stuff is gonna hurt later. Alright guys, I was just talking to the camera and I was at the part where I was ending the video, and then the camera turned off. It turns out I wasn't filming any of it. So I'm back, and here are the way my lashes look now. I'm just gonna grab a little piece of something so that you can like see. No? Does this help? No, it just makes things worse. Okay, let's zoom you in. Maybe that helps. That makes things worse too. But at least you can see what the lashes look like. Focus? Not on that stuff, on me, thank you. There you go. So there are my lash extensions. They're still pretty natural looking in a really full way, and I like that. I don't want it to be like too dramatic because I want to be able to like just not wear makeup and have these on and have my lashes looking pretty good, you know what I mean? So that is how these came out. I'm gonna zoom you guys out now. No, out. That's the other way. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have not already, I put out new videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. No more Thursdays now because I am working a full-time 9-to-5 job. I just don't have time to do 4 videos a week right now. I'm trying my best to keep up with 3 videos a week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.